Swear to God, what? Alright, so... What are we doing?
Put me on fucking camera, I swear to God. Dan!
What?
I'm not fucking playing around. I don't want to be on a fucking video.
Okay, then I'll just put your audio. So, yeah, today we are doing the garage. Well, my wife is, since I'm a crippled bastard. But this is the future area of the studio before we get started. We're going to go back here as soon as my wife makes me a spot. So she stopped me! She did, guys.
This is
Guys.
the time if you want to do it.
Guys, she stopped me.
Because this is the time that this has to get done. Right now.
Maybe. Maybe.
Right now.
Yeah, maybe.
Right now.
Yeah, we got to make a way past. See, all this is going to be gone. Oh, she flicked the light on. I was going to do that. All this is soon to go bye-byes. We're going to take that top wall right there, and that's going to extend all the way down with a door, right? And then my lovely wife's going to move her butt. In my way. Okay, she's going to move. All right, this is where we're going to go. Oh, I don't want to turn the ISO up, but we will then turn down that. Okay. Yep, lighting sucks. Get over it. This is how it's going to be, though. So it's going to be, I think this is 11 by 11, how everything is right now. No, not her butt. We don't want to see her butt. Well, maybe. Later?
No.
No? Okay.
Emotional damage.
This is where it's going to be. We are going to be putting a track system on the ceiling to hold all lights because it's only 11 by 11. So we kind of have to make some minor adjustments in here because it's 11 11. So yeah, we're going to put a false wall on this side to cover up the pipe right here, as you can see over there. The pipe, right? Can't let you have that. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. Okay, that's gonna be a wall. The desk is gonna be over here in this corner. We're gonna have a storage area right here where the camera is gonna be. So the camera is gonna stay kind of center in here to do the videos. Computer's gonna be on that wall. A shelf over here. All right. We're gonna have some outlets put in. We're actually going to use OSB in here, not drywall or paint. We're going to do something a little different. So, yeah, it's going to look cool, I promise. Between the overhead, and then we'll go through, when we put the overhead in, we'll record it. When we put the walls up, we'll record it. But, yeah, I am super excited because we're very close to start getting it done. You're going to see a lot of the crap that I had to go in, and that is the greatest thing ever right there. Yeah. But we have some work to do. Well, she's got some work to do. And me.
Excuse me?
And me. We'll keep you updated on the next one. If you want to see the next one, make sure you subscribe. So, yeah. We're going to be able to do new videos. More content, photography. We're going to have backdrops, lighting, cameras, video recording. We'll be streaming from this room. And I am super excited. And yeah, thank you all. Enjoy. And if you want to see more, just make sure to subscribe. Yeah. Stay evolved.